Things all snowboarders do but never admit to. If you snowboard, you definitely do at least one of these things, pretending that the fall didn't hurt. You get up quickly, look around as if everything is fine, and really believe that no one saw you. Give me a break. Struggling to get up when the slope is too steep. When it's too steep, your legs say, no thanks, hesitating 3 times before a jump and then saying it was easy. There's no point in acting tough when your brain is panicking, watching a pro and thinking you can do the same. Spoiler alert. No. Do you really think they got that distinction for nothing? But that's also why we love this sport. It's hard, humiliating, and addictive. So if you got the message of the video, be honest and tell me in the comments which one you do, and if not, don't forget to subscribe. It would make me extremely happy.